Hey YouTube, Diesel Dan Peters here. I figured I'd make a Yanmar update. I'm finally getting around to putting in the brand new pistons that I bought for it. The cylinders were bored out already. So that's all done, ready to go. But I figured I'd make a video of me reassembling them. So in a few seconds you're going to probably see a time-lapsed video of me installing them. I already got this one in, but I haven't installed any of the parts inside yet. So definitely going to take some time. I'm sure the video is going to be about an hour long at least, condensed into whatever, like 2 or 3 minutes. But yeah, finally getting around to it. So these are the old pistons. You can see how scored up they were. See if I can focus in on this a little bit. There we go, it's a little better. Video's not really doing it justice, but I have all the parts here. Oh yeah, it's gonna be fun. At the very least, I want to have all the internals put back in today. That way I know what parts, if I have to buy any parts or anything like that. These are the rest of the parts. I ended up ordering that gas tank for, I think I got it for 20 bucks after shipping. I thought that was a score, because I think those are usually like $120, $150 around there. But yeah. Alright, stay tuned, you guys.